Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video on the 420. It's been a minute since we've been in the creek. I don't know what it looks like. I don't think it's high. We did get some rain yesterday, so it very well could be. It's about dark. I just got home, so we're about to go see. Is. Oh, yet again it might. Oh yeah, it's definitely about to have a lot of water. Look at this. If it's too high, I definitely ain't going in it. And it ain't bad, we've seen worse. I reckon I'll go through it. It's definitely gonna get affected by the current though. I don't have a doubt about that. Yeah, look at it. Alright, so therefore I need to be careful and aim for over here so it'll float over that way. Give it about 3 days and it'll be just right. Like we're over there, it's handlebars deep, and so is over there. Over there definitely is right now, but I'm saying where the current's not bad, like it is, because I saw how it just pushed the four-wheeler to the side where it's not bad and we can ride over there. I wouldn't be surprised if we couldn't make it across right now. Yeah, see how it's pushing me to the side like that? Try to go down that way. I don't know. I always try to do stupid stuff like that and regret it. That's how it goes every time. So I don't think I am. I'm just gonna cross. There's sticks all over the front end. Stuck. No promises I'm going in over here. I just want to look at what it's flowing like down here. Yeah, it's definitely flowing. We would get stuck. Just like that one time, it was flowing bad and I tried to go through it and then the foiler wouldn't go forward. It just kept, the front end kept floating up, and I was bottomed out. So I just had to reverse it for a while and shake it, and then it came out finally. I can try and go down it this way, I reckon. But I ain't gonna be able to see what I'm doing, which is what's gonna suck. I'll probably try it in the daylight tomorrow. Yeah, see how I'm kind of like slipping right here? Watch out, Deuce. What's it look like in here? I bet you pictures in here would look good right now. Like the way the water is. I might get one for the thumbnail real quick. I think I am. Yeah, the water's definitely high in some spots. I'm probably gonna have to turn the light bar off, yeah. I didn't mean to blind y'all there. How dark is it when the light bar's off? Probably too dark for a picture, but I don't even care. I know. I don't know why it's doing that. But it won't flash on. The first one's half decent. The quality's was bad. I know right here's rutted up. I said up, but rutted out, same thing. Second that whole time. I never did claim to be the smartest though. I was putting it in first so I could go even slower and hit the bumps easier, but I was already in it. The moon's a full moon tonight, dude. Look at it. That's crazy. I hate when it does that crap because it looks scary. Deuce. Deuce, here. Deuce, here. Deuce, come on. Deuce! Here! Man won't even listen to me. Look at this. Listen to this fool. And he can't talk, but still listen to him. Come on! Hey! Deuce, come on! Hey! Man, I ain't doing this. Come on! Let up. Let up. Stay. Well, y'all, peace out. I'll see y'all in the next video. I hope y'all enjoy. Leave a like and subscribe. Peace.